Hey, listen to me. This isn't a food show. Don't tell everybody you're watching a cooking show. Guy Fieri isn't here eating cheeseburgers. We're here just to make a little food here, talk a little shit here, and if you want to stick around, you stick around. If not, I don't give a Hey, football season's canceled. Guess what? You're in Los Angeles, all your friends are vegans, we're making Buffalo Cauliflower. Really simple recipe. You literally have to be a moron not to understand how to make this. I feel like you're watching this and going, are you a vegan or some Why are you making cauliflower? I like the taste of it. Not this. When you do all the things to it, it tastes amazing. Wash the cauliflower. Alright, can't fit in this frame. This tripod is made from midgets. I want to cut the bottom of this piece of You can't eat things off the floor anymore. See that brown part? Look familiar? Look under your foot. I feel like during the duration of this, you're just gonna see me get angrier and angrier. I hate that. You moved to Los Angeles, and they're like, ooh, you eat buffalo cauliflower now. What do you suck dick because you eat cauliflower? Dude, I never used to eat anything white. If anything, I was a very progressive eater girl. White things make me feel weird. They make me really uncomfortable. They're one of the few white things I like to eat. So I don't date white girls anymore. There you go. So to make your lives a little easier, I put all the stuff that I'm using. I got hot sauce. I got granulated garlic, black pepper, onion powder, red pepper. Now, salt people, this is for you. You don't need extra salt. All of it's in there. All of it. Every ingredient has a little bit of salt in it. By the time I leave the restaurant, little salt there, little salt there, little salt there. I'm bloated. I go home, can't f my girlfriend. Big issue. All right, I got my station over here for dipping. One dry, one wet. One dry, one wet. Who cares? Wash your hands after. Just don't touch your face. Don't touch your face. Wash your hands. Most people like to use like a fork to whisk their eggs. I sometimes use my finger to save some time, save some dishes. You guys remember the dude in middle school who'd just be like, smell your sister. Yeah, f that guy. Okay, so it's 20 minutes in the oven, flip them over, another 20 minutes in the oven. What I like to do while I wait is make myself a little latte. Oh, God, I'm sweating. Oh, sweating in here, dude. It's done. Just throw them in. I got my hot sauce here. I don't give a that it's not in a hot sauce thing, because did you see how big that thing was? Spill everywhere. You want to clean that up? Let's give it a shot. Oh, yeah, dude. If you like it, follow, subscribe, tell your friends. I don't know what to tell you. I'm Chef